my beautiful sunshine gang, how y'all doing? Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and to hit that bell so you will know when I will be posting new videos. And y'all, today is part 3 of my Falling into Memory Lane series, and today we are going to be revamping Cassidy, and she is from Outre also, and I got her in the color 1. And this is how she's looking right now. And this is the parting space. I think I'm going to open up the parting space a little bit more. And she has 2 combs in the front. And she has a comb in the back with an adjustable strap. And she has Swiss lace. And this is a bob hairstyle, and I will show you how she look on the stock card and all of that. And I will also be linking the first video that I have of her. I will link it up here, and I will link it in the description box below. And y'all, with all that being said, let's get started on revamping Cassidy. Okay, y'all, this is it right here. This is how I style Cassidy. Instead of a middle part, I just kind of shift her to the side. And this is how she looks in the front. This is how she looks on the side. And this is how she looks in the back. And for those of you who are like new to my channel or have been here for a while but never seen my Cassidy review the first time, I'm just gonna go over it again. When Cassidy came out, she was all the rage, y'all. She came in these different types of blondes, so it's actually a blonde collection. And of course, she's from Outre, and these are the different types of blondes that she came in. And I just got her in the color 1. And this is the other side of the stock card. And she has transparent HD lace. And she does have baby hairs. And she has a lace parting space. And she has pre-plucked soft Swiss lace. And this is how it looks. And y'all, she is not hard to deal with at all. As y'all can see when I was styling her, she tangles, but she doesn't tangle a lot. And she doesn't shed a lot either. Maybe because it is like a natural color. It is in the color 1. And I like how I styled her, y'all. I like how, you know, she's kind of slender. I mean, she's uneven, but she's not too uneven. It's like an asymmetrical bob, as y'all can see. This is the parting space. And I laid her down, but I didn't like just glue her all the way down. All I did was just tie a scarf around to finish laying her down flat in the front. And y'all, let me know what y'all think about Cassidy in the comment section below. I will put the price, and I will put the website of where I got her from. And like I said, I will also link the video of the first time I reviewed her. This is basically just a show and tell, because y'all know this is the part 3 of my Falling into Memory Lane series. So, you know, this could be a good style that you can go to for Thanksgiving, because y'all know Thanksgiving coming up. That's if you go anywhere for Thanksgiving, because, you know, as of right now, we are still in quarantine. You know, some places is worse than others, but really, y'all, it's all still the same. Like, we all still need to be safe, and we all need to take these precautions, and, you know, just stay at home, because it's really, really dangerous out there. So if y'all made it to the end of this video, let me know by leaving a heart emoji in the comment section. And like I said, let me know what y'all think about everything. And if y'all don't see me again, I just want to tell y'all happy Thanksgiving if you celebrate Thanksgiving. If not, I hope you have a great week, because, you know, this week is the Thanksgiving break. I know my kids are going to be out they're going to be out all week this week. They got a full week of Thanksgiving break. So you parents that are going to be dealing with y'all kids during Thanksgiving break, more power to you, because, you know, I'm going to be in the same situation that y'all in. But like I said, y'all, just happy Thanksgiving, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye, y'all.